Who is this? It's Clever Cat. What sound does she make in words? That's right. Now, we're going to look for Clever Cat and making her sound in some words. You ready? I knew you would be. Let's go. Clever Cat loves to eat creamy cakes like this one. Find Clever Cat in the word cake. There she is. Clever Cat has a shiny red car. Find Clever Cat in the word car. There she is. Clever Cat doesn't meow like this cat. She says k in words instead. Find Clever Cat in the word cat. There she is. Great job finding Clever Cat in those words. Now, I went around my house and I looked for things that start with Clever Cat sound. Would you like to see what I found? I thought you would. All right. I found a cat. This is a toy cat. Cat. I found another fun toy. This is a car. Car. What else did I find? I found a cookie. Cookie. Found something else in my kitchen too. A cup. Cup. There's one more thing. I found this one in the fridge. What do you think it's going to be? It starts with k, and I found it in the fridge. You think so? Let's see if you're right. Carrots. Carrots. What can you find at your house that starts with the sound k? Go give it a try.